Welcome to Breaking Bank, Episode 1, sponsored by Liberty Aid, the nonprofit that guarantees to remove your debt.
And here's the proof of the outcome of the package. Wanted to show the proof that the McCaig's Mastery Trust is registered, copyrighted with the United States government. You can get a common law irrevocable ecclesiastical trust like I have. Here's proof that Christian Ministries Trust just did it. So there's
John McCaig's Trust, you're building credit, fantastic business credit, it's going good. John McCaig's Trust, and that's what we've been working on. Liberty Aid Academy is the only place you're going to get real financial freedom. This is important. Chase Sapphire Reserve. Proof, Capital One Spark Card. More proof of getting corporate credit with no personal guarantee. Approved for $2,400. John McCaig with Liberty Aid Academy. Look what you got, huh? When you play the game and play to win, you get approvals. Speaking of the greatest document, which I'm not going to disagree with you. It's not ego. It's just all the proof we have, right?
Yeah.
Every Thursday, here we are. Listen, if you don't get the trust, I can't help you.